Hello everyone, today we have a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT 8. See, it has a 6.4 liter HEMI in it. It's running good, so I'll go ahead and take it for a tour. And those LEDs might appear every once in a while like they're flickering, but that's just the refresh rate of my cameras. They don't do that to the human eye. See, it does have polished alloy wheels and Brembo brakes. This also has the launch mode. Tow package, dual exhaust. Spare tire under there. Cargo cover. And there is a shot of the interior, black leather. There's also an additional power supply there in the back. Wind diffusers on the windows. These rear seats are also heated, and then there's also a 115 volt right there. Very, very cool. Has those Jeep floor mats, which are very cool. Go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN right there. Okay. Does have a carbon fiber look to all this. The SRT seats, ridiculously comfortable seats. Okay, this is in the SRT pages. We come over here, you're going to see that it has 47,017 miles on this vehicle. You also have paddle shifters, your trip computer toggles, your push to talk, and then you also have your sensors right here. And not only do you have paddle shifters on this side, but also on those paddle shifters are your controls for your stereo from your steering wheel. You also have your engine start push button. Okay, and then I'll let you go through all this on your own. But you also have your controls right here, along with your backup camera. If you just needed to see that, here are your drive modes. That's where we just were. And then you have your performance pages, your navigation as well. Your performance pages, you can check out and map the performance of your vehicle. Your radio is AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Come down here. You also have additional comfort controls and stereo controls down here. You can also put your sensors on and off, your eco. And then down in here you have additional power supplies, a slot for an SD card. And then right here you have your key fob, cup holders, shifter, your sport and track selector, snow and terrain and tow selector. Then you have your launch mode right there. Then your SRT and custom, 12 DC and stowage, and then your glove compartment. And if you come up here, then you're going to have your map reading lights and your control for your back door if you want to do it from here. As I mentioned, these seats are super comfortable. This vehicle has a lot of power. It sits low to the ground, so it handles very well. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There is an impact here, the rear, and also to the passenger side in the center. There by the doors. The airbag's deployed, but there's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.